So if you are like a lot of people, you're scared of peppers. Oh, I don't like spicy stuff. I don't like anything too spicy. You know that if you take these seeds out of here and these membranes, I don't know if you know, a lot of people say that to me, oh, is it spicy, is it spicy? Not all chili peppers are gonna burn your tongue, you know? And yeah, these are serranos, and I have put them on the grill, and then I put them in a paper bag and let them steam. A lot of people rinse them, and then you rinse. These are serranos. This one is a serrano, and I actually get these from Jenny, who does our jewelry shop. These are serranos that she gets from New Mexico. She brings to us, and I'm taking some of the seeds out, but however hot you like it. I'm gonna take one of them and leave the seeds in. I like it kind of hot. But a big mistake that people, the seeds in the membranes, you know, the little white part, that's what makes it really hot. And a lot of people will make a mistake and they'll take these and run them under cold water, Misty. And we know that you can't do that. Because what happens when you do that? You wash all the delicious flavor off of them. So after you get them off of the grill, put them in a paper bag and let them cool off. And that skin just comes right off of there. And you don't lose any of that good flavor.